Welcome back, guys. So today, as you can see, it's on Thursday, July 3rd. So let's just go to the market, and you can clearly see that for this week I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs that I'm trading right now, and I'm not using my laptop today, so I'll be using my phone, but still we'll go to the markets as we always do. So firstly, in USD card, and I already missed this trade. I was supposed to be in this trade as of today. I was supposed to be in this trade because I said on my previous video that you can clearly see that on the 4 hours time frame, this head and shoulder was made, and I wanted this retest, and we had the retest, and we had this nice rejection. So I couldn't enter that time because I was already in that trade, and you can see interesting what happened was market again made a nice shifted structure at this zone here. So I was just waiting for the 1 hour or 4 hour to shift structure for me, so you can clearly see that we had a shift at this level. Market turned bearish at that zone and came back to retest this zone again. So once it came to retest this zone, I can see that we're having this nice engulfing candle. But if you use the 2 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is a very nice setup. As first of all, you can clearly see market made this nice head and shoulder, retested, then now came to retest first. Let me just do this. Okay, so you can clearly see that we had this nice head and shoulder. So you can clearly, it was somewhere here. We have the left head and right shoulder right there. We had the break, retest, nice engulfing candle. I was supposed to enter there, but I was traveling, so I didn't have time to execute this trade. Yeah, and you can even clearly see that I put this right there, and it also made a nice head and double top. You can clearly see we had it there. So I'm sure on the 30 minutes time frame, we had the break and retest of that area as well. You can clearly, we had that nice break, retest, engulfing, and you can enter your sales there. So I was supposed to enter this trade, but we couldn't take this because of the same reason I've told you guys. So but yeah, it happens. And so this was supposed to be my entry signal, and target a nice 1 to 2 right there. You can see this was supposed to be my nice trade. This was supposed to enter right above this level here, and my stop loss just all the way up there. Yeah, but this is a nice 1 to 2, and this is my nice 1 to 2 there. So this is the trade I missed this week. And second, we have GPUSD. GPUSD, I was looking for buys, and it was, you can even see buying waiting using 4 hour waiting for retest at this zone. So you can clearly see market broke above, but we made the new high, so the 4 hour is now bearish. So I can only take this trade after the 4 hour is bullish, which is at this zone here as of now. You get, so there's really nothing I can do. So what I expect and I would want this market to do is now make a new lower low and a new higher low, so it can now completely shift this zone and give me an entry signal to then buy, because for now I don't have any entry level, and I'm just trying to buy using the 4 hour time frame because it's better for me. I don't want to be to stress myself. But the daily and the weekly is very much bullish. So even the 30 minutes, you can clearly see that the only legit trade I have is after we break above this zone here, because this is where the 30 minutes will turn bullish. So that's why I even wanted to make a new lower low, so we can have that nice shift, because right now I can't really do anything. Even on the 30 minutes time frame, even on 30 minutes time frame, we don't have anything to use as a buying point, only at this zone here. So that's why I'm just waiting for the 410 bullish, then I can concentrate on this pair. Yeah. Then we have Euro USD. Euro is the same thing as well. I was trying to buy based off the daily being bullish, and you can see looking for buys, daily bullish, weekly bullish, 4 hours bullish, and it was on its way to test this zone. It just never came back to this level. So it's what I'm waiting for. If it can come back and retest this OG level, then might look for buys. Lastly, Euro CHF. Euro CHF looks like at least you can even see I'm waiting for break, then retest to buy off the forward time frame. You can clearly see that's what I'm looking for. And right now the 4 hour is even below the EMA, which is nice confirmation for me. And we've broken below this zone. We've made a new lower low, and we've retested, and we've even had a nice push. But this is on the daily perspective. Now let's use the forward time frame so you can clearly see what's going on here. So in the forward time frame, you can see we are very much bullish, then we turn bearish, then we were waiting for a retest at this zone, in this zone here, and we can see we had this nice retest. Yeah, we had that nice retest, though we didn't get the entry at that zone, because you can see after the retest no engulfing. Oh no, we had the engulfing at this zone here. Here we had the engulfing at this zone right there, here. So we can enter base, put our stop loss right above here, and our entry signal at that zone, right there. Then you can target our daily, since we're buying at the daily and weekly level. You can target our take profit to at least up here. It's a nice 1 to 2.3, because it makes more sense at this zone right there, here. Yeah, so currently this is the trade we can also enter. Yeah, but I think we've also missed this one, so I can't really do anything. But if it can trace back at this zone and give me the something I'm looking for, then I might still consider doing something at this zone. But this is still a nice zone for ourselves. Yeah. And what else do we have? We have and just a nice recap on CAD JPY. I was looking for buys, but the buys was after. I can see that the daily is now bullish, because you can see daily retested the strong level of or the OG level, and can see once market breaks above here, the daily breaks above here, then I will look for buys at this zone here. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. If you can have that break and retest, then you can even consider looking to buy at that point. Because if I switch to forward time frame, you can see I'm having this nice left head, right shoulder, still haven't broken above. So once we break, I know even the EMA, this nice EMA, will be there, and we can have that retest to then buy. And NZD USD, on the weekly time frame, I've been waiting for this nice retest at the daily time frame to retest the zone. Since this is our weekly OG level and daily OG level, it just makes sense for me to look for buys at that level, because even on the forward time frame, it's the same thing. It broke above, and we're waiting for. So here, I need the forward to reach this zone, then shift, then I can buy. Yeah, but this one is more of the same with AUDUSD as well. All the USD pairs, I'm just waiting for them to test my OG level, then I might buy. Because it's the same setup. Actually, it's just the same setup. If you can clearly try to see this, we are all waiting for the break and retest. We are waiting for the break and retest as well. So that's what's happening. And a nice update on USAD CHF. You can clearly see, this is why I like this market. So you can see it even touched the same take profit I was looking for. It even touched they all reached my 1 2 3 as just anticipated, because I knew it should retest and reach this level. As soon as it broke above below this level, I was okay with waiting, and this is what happened. We reached our full take profit, and if not for the account being closed, we'd have hit at least 2 and 3, would have made at least 10K on this same small trade without doing anything. Yeah, so because you can even clearly see that if it even dropped further down. Now imagine if all these positions I took dropped down. That's like 12K on one trade without doing anything at all. So that's it for this video, but I'll update you guys on Friday to see what will happen. But yeah, that's what we have